All right, let's unbox this E4B Doomsday. Typical with Gemini Jets, has details and facts and everything on the aircraft that's in the packaging. Y'all probably seen plenty of Gemini Jet boxes. Typical Gemini Jets packaging. Let's see if I'm lucky. Look at all those antennas. Almost like the real thing. Pretty nice detail. Am I lucky? Let's see. Is the landing gear in good shape? Looks like the landing gear is in good shape. The nose gears too. So I guess this one was turning left when they did the mold. Let's see if it's gonna stay. Landing gear is okay, I guess. Nice model though. Wow, I like it. So this one I'm gonna place in my 747 collection. I'll organize it better again some other time. There we go. There. My son is a cameraman on this. So, what'd you think of it?
It's good.
Let's do the next one. Let's stick with Gemini Max for now. C-130 Hercules. Again, specs in the little in flap. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not gonna review the aircraft, I'm just gonna do the unboxing. And there's a C-130. Looks pretty good. Just a little rear door open. I don't wanna break it. I think it might. Oh yeah, it does. It's interactive. You know what? I'm gonna leave that alone. Pretty nice. Let's see how it looks next to a C5 and a C17. It's tiny. How do you know the C-130 was that small? I've been in them before. I mean, well, I've been in all those three aircraft. Well, except for the C-17. I haven't been in the C-17 yet. But I've actually been a passenger on the upper deck of the C5 Galaxy. It has seats. On like a second level. It's almost like an Airbus 380. So on that part from there to there are about 75 seats where they carry us with our backpacks and whatnot. We call them rucksacks in the military. So there's that. Let's do the next one. I haven't been in this one yet. It's just Air Force anyways, and I'm Army, so I don't see myself ever going on a KC-135, and I just ripped the box off.
Bruh.
Here we go. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Refueling boom in the back. Yeah, I like the color, so it looks nice. Let me set it down and you can get a nice video of it. Okay, let's see. Let's organize it a little bit. C5 is huge. I didn't know the C5 was so big compared to others. I mean, look at this. This is a 707 And these are to scale because these are 1 to 400. Look how big the C5 is compared to a 707. It's humongous. Well, I mean, let's compare it to a 737. This is Premier NG, beautiful, beautiful model if you guys ever get a chance. But look at that, that's a 737-800 compared to a C5 Galaxy. It's humongous. Okay, so there, let's organize this neatly, and then we'll get to the next one. Okay, NG models, they don't have an inner flap or anything. Their boxes, nice designs and all that, but they're not like Gemini Jets where they give you some details on the aircraft. I like their packaging better, easier to get the airplane out, to retrieve it. And it's a 757 Icelandair. I really wanted to get the 767 because that's the ones that I normally see in Boston, at least during my shift while I'm towing planes for Delta. But I'm sure they have 757s going in there all the time. Let's do this Southwest one. I think this is the new one that just came out from NG Models. I'll have to check. Oh no, it's broken. Really, NG model? It's supposed to be brand new. Oh man. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna fix this later when I have more time. I don't want to break it any more than what it already is. Looks like that just came off. A little bit of super glue will take care of it. Looks really nice. Okay, let's check this Alitalia. Gemini Jets again. Info in the inner flap. 767-300ER. I think this is one of their older molds because I don't think it has any of the antennas. There we go. Protective plastic and whatnot. Looks really nice. There you go. Ready for the next one? Okay. Which one do you want to see first? The Panda flight or the Pokemon? Okay, let's do the Pokemon. No inner flap, JC wings, they don't do that either. I think only Gemini Jets does that. Although I haven't had any, I don't think I have any Herpa. I think they do that as well. But JC Jets does do they do some nice planes. Here we go. Wow, that looks beautiful. Oh yeah, nice landing gear. All the wheels roll. I think it's see-through engines. I don't know. All the antennas are there. Oh, this looks great.
It's Pikachu!
I haven't seen that one land in Boston, but I just got it because My son was impressed when he saw one. We watch videos. We watch YouTube videos all the time on these planes, and he was really impressed when he saw a Pokemon one. I'm waiting to get the 747 Pokemon that's all in yellow. Here's a Szechuan. Again, I haven't seen this one in Boston either. He was impressed by it. I like it. I think it's cute. Looks nice. It's not even my favorite mold. The A350s, I want to try to stick to Airline 400 or Aviation 400 because I like their mold. I'm going to show you what the British Airways one looks like. A lot of detail. It looks really, really nice. But this is JC Wings, and let's see how they did. The only A350s I have now are the Aviation 400 British Airways and the Gemini Jets A350-900 from Delta. Wasn't that impressed with the Gemini Jets one. I mean, it's there, it's nice. But the Aviation 400, that's my favorite model so far. Let's see what this is. High expectations from JC Wings. And it looks really nice. Wow, look at that paint job. Look at the detail. Little panda bears all over the place. Let's see. I think that's my favorite panda right there. And sorry for my nails, people. I'm a soldier. I don't do manicures. So this is the Aviation 400, the A350. Take a look at the red beacon on the top there. It's like a little plastic, I don't know, like a little jewel that they do. That's attention to detail right there. And then this is a Gemini Jets mold on the 350. It's not bad. I like it. Can't complain. But I like the Aviation 400 better. Go ahead and get the engines. Get the engines in each. So Gemini Jets on the left. Aviation 400 on the right, and JC Wings in the middle. They all look pretty good. But in the packaging today, let's see if I put them all together on what I received today. Okay, let's do a lineup. And don't mind the NG Southwest 737. That's how I got it from NG. And I'm gonna see if I can put it back together again. I'm not gonna bother returning it. It looks pretty nice. And I'll forgive them this time around. NG does good products. They do good models. So I received 8 models today. I still have a few more to come, probably tomorrow or Monday. Of course, we're going through the COVID-19 and shipping is kind of unreliable and unpredictable these days. Hope you like it. See you soon. Update. There's that NG737 that I received that was missing, or not missing, but the rear right aileron was out of place. I put it back in there. I didn't use glue. I might use glue if it comes off again, but it's in there nice and secure. Like I said, NG models, they do a great work. I hope they're not starting to slack off on their QC, on their quality control or quality assurance. And there it is. I'm not gonna say it looks like new because it is new.